They are totally scams. And the problem is the people, they look the watch, it's not bad. And they think like, oh, I'm gonna work with them or something like that. But their email and even exist. And after you bought it, they stop to talking to you, or they even block you from the Instagram account because they are afraid of you comment something like telling the truth, and people don't buy it anymore.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley. 影分身の術。
Months ago, a brand reached out to me via Instagram, do you know what I'm saying? I had like a kind of scout, you know what I'm saying, that reached out to me on their behalf saying, hey, we've seen your Instagram and we really think your page is amazing, and we would like you to become one of our ambassadors. So I was thinking, whoa, okay. You know, my ego was, you know what I'm saying? My ego was boosted. I felt like the guy. And my Instagram ain't even that great, but you know, the way it gets here, you're thinking, wrong. Me? Okay, so you know, maybe you saw my YouTube or something. And there was like, basically DM us on our main page. You know what I'm saying? So I go look at the page, I see 10K something, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking it's legit, right? You know what I'm saying? I see things, you know what I'm saying? The status, you know what I'm saying? It's confirmed. I go check out the website, the things look great, the watches, they look great, everything is good so far, you know what I'm saying? I DM them and they're like, yes, we like your page, blah, blah, blah. This is what we do. Go look at one of our watches and choose what watch you want. Okay, and then they say we'll give you a 50% code, yeah, in order to, you know what I'm saying? You buy it, but we'll give you 50% off. That should have been a red flag to me. Because if you want me to promote your stuff, why do you want me to buy it in the first place? Okay, so I'm like, alright, cool, fair enough. The watch looked nice anyway, so went ahead, bought it. I showed them proof of my order, you know what I mean? And straight away they gave me an affiliate code and an affiliate link, so that whenever I'll make a sale from them, I'll get 25%. Basically, I gave them a shout out on Instagram, as well as I did a review, because obviously my channel is about reviews. So I did a review of the watch. You know, I liked it. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't top notch, but you know what I'm saying? It was affordable for average people. And I'm not gonna knock the watch in it. It's calm in it. It's decent. You know what I'm saying? I contacted them basically saying, because they were supposed to repost my shout out on their page. So I was like, okay, where is my shout out as well? You said you was gonna shout me out on your page, so where is my shout out? They started waffling, talking about, oh, thank you for promoting this, na. It's like, where is my shout out? I don't understand. Started moving weird. And then there was something that was even more weird. When I messaged them another time, they sent me a new request, as in a new affiliate request, as in, oh, would you like to, we've seen your Instagram and we would like to make you one of our brand ambassadors. And I'm thinking, whoa, thinking that red flag. So that means if anyone bought my thing, bought your watch through my link, it was nullified. Because if you come in at me again with the same exact proposal that I accepted, what does it mean? It means that the other one did not exist, right? So I just started bugging. I was like, what are you talking about? Deep down I knew it was a scam. I started seeing the comments section in my own video. I was seeing people ask about, oh, I'm an ambassador. Regular people like me, you know, people saying it's a scam. People saying, oh, I bought that watch, it still hasn't come. People saying, oh, it's on AliExpress. People saying a bunch of negative stuff, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to look bad, you know what I mean? Because it's my brand. I don't want my brand to be affected. So I went on Amazon and I found the watch. So yeah, I went on Amazon looking for the price of the watches, compared to the website. The watch I got from the website was, let's say, £80. Yeah, £80, or let's say $90. $90. That was the price. You divide that by 2, that's $45. Yeah, that's obviously with the discount they gave me. Discount $45, right, with the discount. I go on Amazon. Yeah, I find the watch at $28.39. $28.39. So that means I paid £17 more on the official website. How can it be cheaper on Amazon than the official website? That don't make no sense. So then I went further in my research. I went on AliExpress, and you won't believe the price I found it for on AliExpress. $10.89, bruv. Let's do the math real quick. And that's a whole $18 cheaper. 17 plus 18, that's a whole $35 cheaper than what I bought it for. A whole $35 cheaper than what I bought it for at a discounted price. Let me repeat, $35 cheaper than what I bought it at a 50% discounted price on the website. So what does that mean? It means that for the ambassadors, they pay more than the regular price in order to become an ambassador. So that means they went out to a lot of people. They went out to like thousands of people on Instagram, and they said, "Oh, hey, we've seen your Instagram, it looks great, and we would like to make you one of our brand ambassadors. All you gotta do is you gotta buy one of our watches at 50% off, real price, 100 something, $90 something, and then you become an ambassador. Just make sure you use the code, and then we'll give you 25% of any sale you make through your affiliate link." Talking about the affiliate link, the review I made here for this watch is sitting on 2K views. Yeah, I've had a comments, saying that somebody ordered my thing, right, and they said they still haven't received it. The amounts of leads I got from the videos and etc. 128 referrals, and not one sale on my thing, and not one order. Come on. The video is on 2K. Even if it was like 2 people that ordered it, the math makes sense. Even then I was like, oh, maybe nobody bought it. But then I got a testimonial of a subscriber saying, I bought it off your link. But I ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen no money made from on my side. So that means a lot of people bought it, but what? They just didn't give me the money. The customer did not even receive their thing yet. So basically they pimp everyone. They pimp you, they pimp the ambassadors, they pimp the customers. Do you get what I'm saying? So everybody's getting pimped here. We're gonna go even in more depth, because I got some testimonials from people on like 2-3 people on Instagram. It's not a lot, but I know a lot of people been seeing some dodgy stuff. I reached out to a couple people that was got affiliated to that brand, and basically there was this girl that told me, I'm gonna put the DMs here, that basically she ordered some stuff with them. I think she was an ambassador as well. She ordered some stuff with them and etc. And basically she wanted to return it. She bought like $500 worth of stuff. Then she wanted to return the stuff, right? And basically when she wanted to return it, they said that the email address they gave her does not exist. It doesn't exist. Can you imagine? How scammy can you get? So basically, it's a thing where you cannot even return. Like, let's say you buy something, they'll make sure that you can't reach out to them no more. I got someone saying, if I'm not mistaken, that they never heard from them ever again after they did the promotion. They never heard. They tried to contact them, no contact, nothing. Another thing that was weird is the fact that, when I started when I accepted their offer, yeah, and I promoted them, some similar businesses started contacting me. Like, it was almost as though the same person that contacted me again for a different name. So they wanted to get me to buy again with them under the disguise that I was going to become a brand ambassador. But it was the same thing. They had someone scout coming in. Oh, okay, we've seen your Instagram, it looks great. We'd like you to become one of our ambassadors. Go to our main page, DM us. They're selling you a dream and a product. You get what I'm saying? So don't fall for these things, you know what I'm saying? If the brands aren't that legit, make sure you do your research. Look at their website. Make sure you do proper due research, because they're pimping out here, man. For real, they're really pimping. And don't let people inflate your ego just like that. You know what I'm saying? My Instagram ain't that great. My YouTube, okay, I understand. You know what I'm saying? It's not even that great, but it's kind of above average. You know what I'm saying? Just be aware. You know what I'm saying? Be aware, because people don't care. This word is ruthless. This word is ruthless. And shout out to all the brands that actually give people opportunity and allow them to make money. Shout out to Swag Rag. Shout out to I want to say Nike. Shout out to Nike, but right now, what they're doing with the Hoyo and all that, you need to fix up with them, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, it was your point and I'm school. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.